Welcome to Art with Miss Ellis. I'm Miss Ellis, and this is
Quinn.
Today, Quinn and I are going to show you how to make a papier-mâché volcano and show you how to make it erupt like a real volcano. Let's get started. Start by taking a piece of cardboard and a plate. Trace the plate onto the cardboard. Now cut your circle out. Only use scissors under parental supervision. Now use your scissors to cut slits all the way around your circle. Make sure they are about 2 inches apart, about 1 inch deep. Now take a glass or plastic bottle and either hot glue or duct tape it to the center of your circle. However big the bottle will be is how big your volcano will be. Now take some string and tie it around the top of your bottle. Now you're going to take your string and bring it through one of the slits you have made, like this. Then pull it through the slit next to it. Bring it back up, and then around the top of the bottle, like this. And then keep doing this until you go all the way around your bottle. Once you go all the way around, tie it around the top, just like this, and then take your scissors and cut the extra string off. We have now created the skeleton of the volcano. We are going to show you how to create the outside of the volcano right after these fun volcano facts. Did you know there are about 1,500 active volcanoes in the world? Volcanoes contain a very hot liquid called magma. When the volcano erupts and the liquid comes out, it is then called lava, which is super hot, by the way. It can get up to 2,282 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's hot. Now let's get back to our papier-mâché volcano.
Alright, let's make an old king. Take a 1 cup of flour. In here?
Yeah.
There's more left. Now, take a 1 cup of water. Pour it. Mix together. Now, cut up strips of loose. Already. Take paper and paste. Now, put on the candle. Great job, everybody. Now we ready to dry and clean up our mess.
What are we going to do today, Quinn?
We're gonna paint.
That's right. You ready to paint?
It's all dry now.
Ready?
We're ready. Now we wait
After an hour or two, our volcano was dry and ready to erupt. Quinn is going to tell you the ingredients we use to make the volcano erupt. Now keep in mind the amount of each ingredient that you use depends on how big your volcano is. So you may have to do some experimenting on your own, which is just what Quinn and I did, and we had a blast with it.
Add food coloring. Baking soda.
Whoa.
Now a big.
Whoa!
Wow.
Uh-oh.
All done. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye now.
This idea came from Tony Herbach from The Happy Housewife.